Hello, welcome to another video on your YouTube channel, Tech Talk with Niket. In this video, we're going to see how we can zoom axis using parameters. Before we proceed, a big shout out to Hiri, from whom I have learned this technique. To do this, we will create a bar chart using category and sales. I will fit it for the entire view, and you can see the x-axis. It is starting from 0k and going all the way to 850k. I will create a parameter and I'll call it as zoom axis. It will be a Boolean parameter, and the true values I'll call them as zoom in and false as zoom out. Now I will use this parameter in a calculated field and I'll call it as zoom reference line. It will be on an if condition where it will check if the zoom axis is true, then this will be null, else it will be 0. And my calculation is valid. I'll click on apply and OK to perform it. Now to use this reference line as one of the reference line, I will drag and drop it to detail. And now I will right click on the x-axis, click on add reference line. And over here, I'll do it for the entire view and I'll pull in the zoom reference line. I don't want to show any computation as a label, so I'll make it as none and I'll click on OK. I will right click on the zoom axis parameter and do a show parameter. Change this a little bit and make it as single value list. And I'll right click on the x-axis, edit the x-axis in a way that I can show. I'll uncheck the include zero value. The moment I do that, automatically it changes. And you can see if I zoom out, value is starting from 0k. And if I zoom in, it is changing to close to 730k. So in this manner, you can zoom in and zoom out the values. I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Till the next video, stay safe and happy learning.